Alright, so I'm at another automotive repair shop. I have a 91, 92 Chevy Silverado, and the door lock. Can't put the key in the door lock. So let's have a quick look at that. If we can. If we must. Does that work right there? Look at that. I use side cutters for these if I can grab it. It's not much. There's a huge gap in these ones. I don't even close anymore. But it did grab it. Took it off. But first I'm going to mark this here. Like so and like so. Because if I don't, I can go on either way and I'll be coming back and oh gosh. It'll just go on and on from there, I'm sure. So the cap here. Should come off soon. Sometime today. There we go. And I'm sure there's going to be something stuck in there. Call the cops. Ambulance. Those can go on the magnet. That goes on the magnet. This. Come on, it's greasy. That piece can go there. That can stay there. So this, oh, there's problem right there. So because this is all dented in here, like so, someone shoved a screwdriver in there and bent that. And bent this piece too, so it's squishing against this one. The rest are okay. I can usually spread these apart. Usually. We'll see. I'm going to get that out first. First two. Try and get them out. Might go pretty good. Actually might go quite easy. Second one, it's coming out slowly. It's out. Next. Oh, yeah. Come on. Well, that one's out. Kind of. That's really tight. Just because it's bent and it's not straight flat. So I'll just try and hammer that all the way through if I can. If possible. Nope. It's bending. Yeah. So you can see the mark where he smacked that out on the floor, smacked that, bent that up, and they bent this out in here too. So this kind of straighten out here a little bit, watch. Now, key should go in. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Smack that. I wanna go smack that. Now, there's a number on that one, a 3 and a 4. There's 3s, I mean 4s, and 5. 4. 4. Yeah, no 3. No, I'll just try this first, second one here. See if this will fit in here. If I can get it to slide. Doesn't feel like it though. No, the farther down is damaged. That's just wonderful. Here. I'll have to remove that spring for now. And that spring for now. So I can't put nothing in that second spot. I don't have anything to put in that one. What are the odds of that? Like really? Really, what exactly are the odds on that? Anyhow, this, I'm gonna try and bend it back. You have a big old rusty punch with a big fat end on it. See if we can smack that down. Smack it some more. Look at that. Got a little bent on the other side, but you know what? It's much nicer than what it was. So, there's two springs that came out of here. First I want to stick some lube in there. Grease it. Grease that. Put this in. And this in. Like that. Push that in there. Pops out. That's just wonderful. Try the key. That looks good. I'm gonna lube up the rest of it. It's a Cadillac. Well, it's guitars and Cadillacs, hillbilly music on the lonely streets I call home. Near. Put that together. Try the key. Looks pretty good. Now, those marks there, line up with that. This goes here, like so. Don't you know? That's it. It's all done. Now, all I have to do is just take it back and be on my way again. Portage Avenue and I don't know. Anyways, enjoy your day. It's Monday.